Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 series of the trip to Jirak. In this video, I'm gonna share some important tips which you should follow during your next visit. So without further delay, let's get into the topic. I must say Chandragiri village exactly given a feeling that we were in another country because the way of living and the houses shows a different culture which is totally different from the place we belongs to. You can see some storage rooms. They are called stilt houses. In areas where it rains a lot, these houses are made. Basically, people here using these houses for storing corn. On our way to Jirang, we found these cute ducks. For me, it's been so long since I don't even remember when I saw them for the last time. Okay, let's not disturb them. Bye, cuties. Finally, we are very close to the heaven. We were spellbound by a large lake. It has a statue of Padmasambhava, who was believed to be the second Buddha, sitting atop of a lotus in the middle of the lake. In the year of 2014, I visited this place with my cousins. Since then, everything changed. The authority developed the place so much. The important thing is the timings. They have mentioned the break time is 12 to 1 pm. Still, they were closing the temple for visitors from 11:30 am to 2 pm. So please try to keep this in your mind. I want to show the whole temple, but unfortunately it started raining, and this is how I enjoyed. Now you're watching the visuals of meditation hall. The walls are filled with brightly colored murals of Buddha and Bodhisattva. It also includes animals, sun, moon, mandalas and mantras. Coming out of the main temple, I stood with astonishment at the residential quarters for the monks. Now, on the main aspect is food. Array, food? We know so many food courts are there. This is your inner voice, no? But I would never suggest those food courts to anyone because they serve tasteless, spicy food only. In my next video, I am going to suggest best place to have authentic Tibetan food at Chandragiri. Until that, keep a stare at my other videos. Bye bye.